Alright guys, I want you to tell me what you think about this tabletop. So look, I replaced this tabletop. This is from in there. I think from cleaning with harsh chemicals. Look what happened to the top of the table. So I went to Amazon, put the size of this table, and I found this table right here. Look at this beauty. It's 1.1 inch thick, and you know, like, it feels really nice. I think I really like it, and it kind of matches the rest of the boat, you know. So for a quick replacement, I think this is gonna do the trick just fine, because I'm not gonna throw this one away. Maybe I'll reface it, you know, like remicro it or something. But yeah, it was time. And see, like, this one's only 3/4 and the edges was popping out already. You see, like, see how it's loose? So I think for now, just a quick replacement. I think this will do the trick, right? I'll put the link for it on the description if you guys are interested. They have other colors too, but this worked out the best on my situation. I really like it because it matches the rest, so I like the way it came out. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys need a tabletop, definitely a good one. All right guys, just sharing that with you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day.